Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix a second monitor that is not being detected on Windows 11. Start on your desktop and right-click on any empty space. Choose Display Settings from the menu. Your second monitor might show up here, or it might not. If it does not appear, we will check a few things that usually cause this problem. First, make sure all cables are firmly connected. Check that both monitors are connected to the same graphics card. After checking the cables, scroll down in the display settings and look for the Detect button. Click Detect and give it a moment. Sometimes Windows needs this step to find the second screen. Another useful step is updating your display driver. Go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Device Manager. Open it, then find Display Adapters. Click the small arrow to expand it. Right-click on your graphics adapter and choose Update Driver. Then select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will check if a new driver is available. If Windows does not find anything, you can also visit your graphics card manufacturer's website. For example, if you use NVIDIA, you can search for NVIDIA graphics drivers. If you use AMD, search for AMD drivers. After updating your drivers, open your graphics card control panel. The layout depends on your GPU, but the option is usually easy to find. Look for something like Set up multiple displays. Make sure both monitors are checked or enabled inside this menu. If one is unchecked, the system will not use it. These steps solve the issue for most people. Thanks for watching.